Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 1967 Chevrolet Chevy II Nova in butternut yellow on black interior with a crate 350 paired to a 700R transmission. So this one's been restored, as we can see. We'll let it finish spinning here. We'll have a look at the trunk area. So there it is in the trunk. We've got a nice carpet liner. We've got the spare tire. There's the paperwork for the motor. So it's blueprint engines. It looks like it's got a part number and a serial number for the motor. And we've got a yellow envelope full of receipts for purchases on the car. We've got the owner's manual with the VIN breakdown. So I'll let you see that there. We also have the Eckler's Nova magazine. All the interior was done by Daniel Bell. And there's photographs there of the interior being done. So super neat. Lots of photographs here. There's the flooring all finished. Dynamat. Beautiful. There's the new carpet put in. Door panels, the seat. New trunk restoration. Engine bay. Wow, looks fantastic. So that's all there, all the documentation. Have a look in the trunk area here. A couple little minor marks here in the trunk area, as you can see. Nothing major. And here's the trunk lid. It looks fabulous. We'll go ahead, we'll close this. Here it is from the back. Have a look at the bright work. Chrome looks fantastic. You can see my forehead there on the chrome. Here's the rest of the trim. And have a look from underneath. So a very nice, tidy car. It's got the 12-bolt GM rear diff. And we'll spin this around. We've got the Chevy II Nova logo there. Nice bright work along the side. Here's your rear wheel. So we've got BF Goodrich tires. Those are P205 60R15s. We've got the American racing wheels on there. Nice silver painted rear drum brakes. And have a look from underneath. There it is. And just step up to the front so you can see the front wheel. So again, same thing. And on the front, we have the P205 70R14s, so a staggered fitment. We've got the badging here on the fender. Have a look at the bright work there on the front fender as well. Let's go around and have a look on the inside of the passenger side. There's the door panel, looks fantastic. Have a look at the kick plate. And in the door seam, looks good. And let's hop in, have a look from inside. So here's the upper dash, looks good. There's your Chevy II radio. The radio is currently not working. There's your heater controls. And there's your gauges. So we got water, oil, and voltage. The oil has just freshly been changed, so it is not due till December 24th or 55K. And we've got the cup holder and the Chevy mats there. Have a look at the upper portion. The headliner looks good. We've got the light is working. And I'll just hop out and we'll have a look at the back. So down below, I believe there's a switch. Yes, there it is. So we'll pull the switch. Here it is from the back seat. Back seat's in great condition, as you can see. We've got the seat belts there, speakers up on the deck. And let's close this up. And we'll have a look underneath the engine compartment. There it is under the hood. So we've got the nice large breather on the top. It says heartbeat. Again, this is a Crate 350. There's your carb. We've got the nice valve covers. They look great. Everything looks nice and tidy as it should. Again, this is paired with the 700R4 transmission. And everything is nice and neat and tidy as it should be. There's the upper portion of the hood. Hood is in great shape. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. Here it is from the front. We've got the Chevy II badge there on the driver's side. Nice clear headlights. There's your bright work. So I'll just move along the front so you can see it. Looks great. And we'll have a look at the hood. The hood is in great shape, as you can see. No marks, no issues. Not even a stone chip there on the hood. Fantastic. In terms of condition, let's see, there is a little mark here on the fender in the corner. So one there. And I think there's one on this side here that's been touched up as well. Or not touched up yet, so we'll go ahead, we'll touch that up, but that is there. And other than that, it looks fantastic. So we'll spin it around. There's your other front wheel. So again, we've got the nice BF Goodrich tires, the American racing wheels. We got red calipers in there. And I'll just show you here on the back. There's the back one. Looks great. We've got the chrome fuel cap, and again, the Nova Chevy II logo there on the back. Here's the door jamb and kick plate on the driver's side. Looks good. And there's your serial number. And here's your door panel. Just let it focus in on that. Looks fantastic. Here's the seat from the driver's side. Again, the roof liner looks good. Let's hop in and fire this one up. All right. Get our key in there. There it is, first shot. 2 pumps of the gas. Starts right up. So we got our fuel gauge there, speedometer. On the gauge cluster, we have 47,618. True kilometers are unknown, of course, with the 5-digit odometer. That's its current reading. We've got an RPM gauge. It is working. We've got our lights, our wipers, and then down below we've got a vacuum gauge down here. This switch is to turn the rad fan on all the time. We've got nice bright pedals there, and up top we've got the radio antenna. Again, the radio is currently not working. You know, something left to be desired. So you can, a lot of guys I saw on some current cars that we have, they're putting newer radios in the glove box. I'll just open that up so you can see the glove box is lined. It looks great. And let's hop out with this one running. We'll have a look and a listen here. Great sound to it. So I'll just let you have a listen and a look from the back here. Great sound to it. It's been freshly tuned up. There you have it, folks. That's a 1967 Chevrolet Chevy II Nova, butternut yellow, Chev 350 crate motor, paired to a 700R4 transmission with a 12-bolt GM rear end. Here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.